Can you touch the positive terminal of a car battery? When it comes to working with car batteries, safety should always be a top priority. One of the common questions asked is whether it's safe to touch the positive terminal of a car battery. To answer this, it's essential to understand how car batteries work and the potential risks involved. Understanding car batteries. Car batteries are typically 12-volt lead-acid batteries, which provide the necessary power to start the engine and run various electrical components. The battery has two terminals, positive marked with a plus sign and negative marked with a sign. The positive terminal is connected to the car's electrical system, while the negative terminal is usually grounded to the car's chassis. Is it safe to touch the positive terminal? In general, touching the positive terminal of a car battery alone is not inherently dangerous if certain conditions are met. Here's why: the voltage of a car battery 12 volts is relatively low. For most people, this voltage is not enough to cause harm if it passes through the skin. Electricity requires a complete circuit to flow. If you only touch the positive terminal without creating a path to the ground. Potential risks. While touching the positive terminal alone might not be dangerous under normal circumstances, there are still risks to be aware of. If you simultaneously touch the positive terminal and a grounded metal part of the car or the negative terminal, you could create a short circuit. Accidentally causing a short circuit can damage the battery, reducing its lifespan or rendering it unusable. If you're wearing metal jewelry, such as rings, bracelets, or watches, be extra cautious. Best practices for handling car batteries. To minimize the risk when handling car batteries, consider the following safety tips. Before working on your car's electrical system or removing the battery, always disconnect the negative terminal first. Use insulated gloves and safety glasses when working with car batteries to protect against acid spills, sparks, and accidental shocks. Whenever possible, avoid directly touching the battery terminals. Remove any jewelry and keep tools or other metal objects away from the battery terminals to prevent accidental short circuits. Conclusion. While touching the positive terminal of a car battery alone is generally safe under normal conditions, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks, especially if you are working near grounded parts of the car.